In May of 2018, GEEARS, in partnership with 0 to 3, hosted Georgia's first Strolling Thunder event where babies and parents from around Metro Atlanta came together to meet their state, county, and city officials. The day included food, fun, and roundtable discussions that allowed families to tell their stories about the joys and challenges of raising infants and toddlers in Metro Atlanta.
I was saying that because I'm a working mom, I don't get the opportunity to do advocacy work very often because I have 2 small children. So to be able to come here and bring my child is really meaningful and make sure that my voice was heard.
So I was a table facilitator for Strolling Thunder, and I had the chance to learn how important it is for families to really have access to affordable care and programs that take care of children who are infants and toddlers.
I really enjoy it, and I'm glad that it's not going to be the last. It's one of many in the near future, so I'm really happy I got the opportunity to come.
So as a state senator, you have my commitment that I'm going to fight every day to make sure that no other parent, especially at 7 months pregnant, is sleeping on a street to enter a lottery to get their child into a pre-K program, because we know how important it is to invest early in children.
It was a rewarding experience. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed speaking to, interacting with different people from here and learning about, the experience they've had with their families trying to get quality child care and things of that nature. So I enjoyed it. And I enjoyed being with my daughter and grandson.
I enjoyed knowing that other people were in the same journey as me as far as, finding child care and seeing how difficult it was to find child care. And this was a very informative event. So I enjoyed it. I really did. Thank you.
We're calling on Georgia's leadership to think babies for stronger families, vibrant communities, and a prosperous state.